What's the meaning of cadger? Cadger. Cadger.
Cadger. Cadger. The word cadger can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Typically, it refers to someone who begs or lies by begging, often persistently asking for money or other goods. It can also refer to someone who obtains things in a dishonest or unethical manner, such as a thief or con artist. In some rural parts of the UK, a cadger is someone who travels from farm to farm seeking work or handouts. Regardless of the specific meaning, cadger generally has negative connotations and implies someone who is lazy or sneaky.